Alright, what's up guys? How's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan and this is actually super crazy. So I just got dropped off by my Lyft driver on the way back from the gym and he had Play Octopus. Shout out Play Octopus. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. If you're an Uber driver, you're gonna learn what Play Octopus is in this video. Basically, they pay Uber and Lyft drivers $100 up to $100 extra per month to put a tablet in the back of your headrest in your car. I was just going to the gym. On my way back. This is super spontaneous. He's in my driveway. We're gonna go talk to him. So yeah, definitely use the link in the description to sign up for Play Octopus. They're literally launching in new markets all the time in the United States. So if they're not in your market yet, join the wait list now. So many drivers are signing up for this. So if you have the opportunity to do it, do it. Your passengers can play games on it for free and you get paid money. But yeah, let's go talk to him. And yeah, we can see what it is. All right, I got my shirt on. All right, step out of the car. Cool. We're filming already. Is that cool?
Oh, cool, man.
All right, so this is, I already explained to them what happened, but basically he's my Lyft driver. I was just going to the gym really quick, and on my way back, I got in and he had Play Octopus on.
How you doing, guys? I just suddenly...
I changed my shirt too. Did you notice?
Of course, man. It looks very cool, man.
Yeah, so yeah, why don't you introduce yourself?
Actually, I am Richard Guerrero. I'm from Miami. Now I'm moving LA just only like 2 months ago.
Hey,
and
Miami.
So far, so good. It's so different here, but I love it, man.
Yeah, both beautiful places, by the way.
Yeah, by the way.
So yeah, so basically, I just wanted to make this video because right when I hopped in the car, I saw you had Play Octopus, and I think you might be like the first or second driver that I've had that has Play Octopus. And I'm surprised that more people haven't yet. So, yeah.
Yeah, guy, it's a very good opportunity. It's giving like extra money and also it's giving like a service for you, your customers. And for real, the people use it so much. And for real, these people give you like a little bit value for your service when you're driving. So definitely I recommend, and you can do $100 extra. We can help for the insurance something.
Oh yeah, how much do you make with it?
$100 a month.
That's crazy.
It's going straight out to my bank account.
Oh, and actually I would say, like, for me, because I use it too, I get tipped a lot more. I don't know if you have that experience too.
Of course, yeah. Actually, so many people love it, the experience. Like when I saw the tablet, it's like oh damn, I had like a 3D tablet or something like that. Yes, you can use it. There
was actually one time where I had like a passenger who was like kind of mad at me because I was picking him up from the bar, and I don't know, it was like, I wanted them, I was like, hey, what's your name before you get in my car, because I don't, you know, there's tons of people out there, and she's like, I'm not gonna give you my name, and I was like, fine. So she got in kind of mad, and then then she started playing the games, and then she got happy.
Absolutely.
And then she left me like a $5 tip, so I was like, all right, cool.
Exactly.
So yeah, by the way, guys, we have never met before, right?
No, like, this is my first time.
And I never do these like videos with my drivers, because like,
actually I come some long way to you meet me, bro.
Yeah.
Coming from Miami and another course. God bless you guys, thank you.
But yeah, so yeah, and then I also just want to show them the tablet really quick. So can you, I don't know. Sure. Well, what kind of car are you driving, by the way?
Actually, on the Civic 2019.
Oh, you 2019?
Yeah,
I won't show your license plate, but
it's very hard.
Yeah, it's nice, man. It's all blacked out.
Blacked out, and actually it's very good for the gas expensive. Just spend just only $30 a day, and I do it like 300 miles.
Yeah.
Like that.
All right, so let's check this thing out.
It is the tablet in there. Actually, I want to request another one because I want to put it in another. Oh,
side. On both sides?
Yeah.
I just turned the brightness up, but yeah. So as you can see, guys, if you're a driver, this is how it looks with your passengers. You mean you want to? Actually, you use it quite a bit. You want to explain to them how it works?
It's so easy. Actually, the video for installation the tablet is you can find on YouTube. It's so simple. It's like a wrap, and you need to just suddenly start the tablet and it's ready done.
Yeah, I've actually made an installation video.
Oh, you did?
It's really easy, right? You have the strap, and then
and that's it. And when you're going out in your house, you can turn it off, and that's it. And you can turn it on again when you start.
Yeah, I also leave mine on mute too, because I don't like. You usually leave yours on mute as well?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And actually, so many people we can see my profile,
who I
am, and what is my preference, what are my tips, and etc. So it's so easy for the people know who is me.
Yeah, actually I noticed that. Like it says you have like soccer. Like that's a great conversation starter. Like you like cooking.
I am half Italian.
Ask me. This is the best one. Like ask me about. Like that's good if you have a business too.
Exactly. If you had the business, actually, I have myself business. I created this smartwatches. So the people we can check it out that one.
Yeah, guys. In a second, we're gonna give him a shout out because he actually has a smartwatch business. So I'll leave a link to. He didn't ask me to do this, but I actually offered.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, so I charge thousands of dollars for shout outs. No, I'm just kidding. But I was gonna say, like,
and that's about my first question. Do you want to charge me?
One of my recommendations to you, because I'm huge into marketing, I would change this to ask me about my smartwatch business.
I got it, like a more specific.
Yeah. Perfect. But otherwise, it looks good. I like it. My tip score to family. That's great. Yeah, guys. It also shows weather, and then really quickly, let's do the game. Let's
look videos.
Yeah, I know people at play OCTOPUS, so they won't mind if I actually play a game. Shout out Nikki. She's dope.
Here we go.
Yeah, and
it's ready to come.
Oh, there's an ad. This is how you guys get paid. There's ads.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So speed match. This is an example of a game. How to play. Match the sea creature. Okay.
Let's charge them.
Blah 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 blah.
Not bad, huh? Here we go.
Okay. Find this. Okay.
Another one.
Oh, speed match. There we go. Oh, the turtle now?
No.
Yeah, guys, it's honestly just little games that your passengers can play like while they're bored. Like,
so many people love it, like the trivia too.
Oh yeah, the trivia is nice. Yeah. So you guys get the point. I mean, we don't have to play the whole thing, but and then they get points. And then the high score of the day wins $25, right?
Exactly, $25.
Yeah. So like
yesterday I received the email for the way these people pay is just only you need the GPS tablet follow you and how many miles do it. Also, it's paid for the people gain in the tablet.
Yeah, for sure. So like, do most of your passengers play the games?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
absolutely. Actually, most of the people is coming. When I saw the tablet, straight out to punch the tablet.
Yeah. It's not like in your face either. It's not like blasting, and you keep the brightness down too. And you could actually turn. Oh yeah, let's show this because a lot of people, if you're hesitant about this, one of my biggest comments is people are like, "Oh, I don't want to annoy my passengers." What you guys can do, guys, is put it on nap mode, and then literally all it says is tap to play. So you're sitting in here, and it's like. It's not flashing anything in your face, and it's not forcing your passengers to play anything. And then you can tap to play if you want. If you don't want to play, put it on nap mode. Like, that's it.
That's a new tip for me. I had no idea about it.
That's because I usually actually, like if I'm driving, actually I think I always leave it on nap mode.
That's fine.
Because
it's not easy invasion on the
Yeah, because like, I don't know, some people don't want to play games. But if they want to, it's there. That's kind of how I think of it more. And it shows to your passengers that you care. So, yeah, so how long have you been driving rideshare?
6 months.
6 months.
Like 6
cool,
months.
Cool. And you drive both Uber and Lyft?
Yes, sir.
Do you prefer either, or you just turn both apps on pretty much?
Definitely. I try to use it the both. I had like 1,600 trips in Uber and Lyft like 1,000. So.
Oh wow!
No balance in there. I try to be balanced.
And how long have you had this car for? You said it's 2019.
Like 6 months. Actually, I bought especially for start to do the service.
Oh, amazing! Yeah, I actually really like this model. My she's gonna watch this one. Okay, not my ex-girlfriend. She's.
Yeah, bro, don't be
she used to have she had a 2018 Honda Civic, and I really liked it. So I haven't seen the 2019s yet. So I like this one a lot.
So much space.
It's very like there's a lot of, oh my gosh, holy crap. There's so much space.
You turn it on here, you'd be like
oh my gosh.
Minivan. Right?
Dude, you could sleep in here.
I couldn't sleep right there.
Just throw a little mattress pad back there. So yeah, anyways, before we end the video, I wanted to just ask you really quick, because you brought this up to me, that you are an entrepreneur as well. I'm an entrepreneur too. I don't have a 9-to-5. I personally can't handle working like for a boss or like working in an office all day. I think you're kind of the same way.
Yes, sir. Actually, absolutely. Because I work in the morning and my business, especially because I sold more product for South America and Miami, East Coast.
Yeah.
So I take care very early in the morning, my emails, my orders, and my team, and I'll be ready around 12, 11 a.m. in the morning. So I start to drive at that point.
Yeah. So I think this really resonates with a lot of people watching this, because actually there's a study shown that for 50% of Uber drivers are working on a business on the side. So I thought that was like really cool. So why don't you tell us about, before you get into the business, check out these Gucci glasses, guys. Hard flex right there.
God bless, I do it well. That's the formula. Working hard, my friend.
Actually, I just had a meeting. Shout out to my banker, Chris. He at Bank of America. He actually drives for Uber too.
Yeah, I got it.
Because he commutes, so he puts on destination filter every single day to work.
You see?
And then he writes off the miles for taxes. And I'm like, dude, that's freaking so smart. You don't have to be a full-time driver. You can work on stuff on the side and leverage it. Exactly. And that's how I met you. So
it's taking the trick on the one point, you know.
Yeah. So we're gonna end the video really soon, but can you just tell us a little bit about your business and how it might benefit people watching this?
Absolutely. Actually, I created this smartwatches. It's something like a Fitbit or Apple Watch, but I try to be more open to the people. We can share the information.
Yeah, put it out like this.
And also we can be like a sleep time, message, category to check it out. You activities, and
your
right
health
here,
rate and
exactly
stuff.
So
dang,
definitely your blood pressure and heart rate.
Wow.
So in that point you can also receive the own message, especially the message when you receive the request for one customer.
Yeah.
You don't have to be your phone and your package, just as only the watch, and the watch is gonna be
that
like
thing is clean too. That looks way cooler than a Fitbit. And actually, Fitbits are cool, but yeah, this is way more like aesthetic. You can wear that out.
And the most important right here is the price. It's gonna be like a Uber, like a Fitbit and Apple Watch is whatever, more than $100.
Couple $100.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And this one is just only $49.99.
49?
Yes, sir.
That's it?
That's it. And also it's working with the app, so all the information you have in your phone, and you can share with your doctor, with your family. We can create it like a challenge.
Oh my gosh.
Et
I actually don't know a ton about this. I just want to give you a shout out. I think I want one.
Exactly.
So are we gonna leave a link that they can purchase one if they want?
Of course. It's geniusfitwatch.com. I'm sorry for my Spanglish.
Okay, really quick. Is there any way we can give like 5% discount code?
Of course.
I don't know, something.
Absolutely. I want to create it like a code for my guy, and I can give you like a 25%.
25% off. Oh my gosh. Okay,
my guy.
Guys, I'm gonna get the link from him, or the code, and then we'll leave it in the description.
Of course.
So might as well. Hey, if you guys want a new watch, get a new watch. If you don't get it. Don't get it.
That's fine. Exactly.
We don't want to force anything down your throat, but this is just a thank you from me for being in the video and for being my driver.
And actually, that's the way the small business is working. Like try to collaborate. Collaborate everybody.
Exactly.
God bless you guys.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you did enjoy this, if you liked seeing this new type of video, leave the video a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. We're gonna be coming out with hella new content soon, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna be going over my driver earnings for both Uber and Lyft. I'm gonna start driving a lot more, guys, so stay tuned for that. My leg actually finally healed up. He doesn't know about this, but I injured my leg really badly recently, so I'm all healed. I'm back to the gym. Let's get it, 2020 baby. So yeah, follow me on Instagram.
Go ahead.
All right.
Bye, guys.
Later, guys. Like and subscribe. Thanks for coming on, man. Appreciate it.
Appreciate you, man. God bless.
All right, later.
Bye.